Hello, my name's Hanan Issa and I'm the National Poet of Wales. In honour of World Poetry Day, I'd like to share my poem that was a collaboration between myself, Literature Wales and Alzheimer's Society, and it's titled Hold You. Beware of the tigers, Siwnar Betty, you warn each time I leave the hospital, as if the Moli Bazaar jungle had twined its vines around the streets of heath and tigers roamed the cherry blossom roads. Forced to watch your fairy lights wink out, one by one, your memories drop off the shelf slowly as a spider drags a fly, from knowing to confusion to certainty, over and over and over again. Do you know they took my car back? You fret each time I sit on your settee, as if the years you spent zooming left and right on errands for family meant nothing now, that you sometimes forget you're left, you're right. You fill your wall with faces you can't place. Every hesitation before you say my name stings. I promise to hold you as Abba, as Nan, fixing a car, buttering my toast.